express to her what you want to commit yourself in your own words. And you, Donna, what do you want to tell Dario?
Of us did not expect that we can, as a lover and in marriage, I promise to be a good wife.
You tell him that. Direct your statement to him. As a sign of my love and loyalty, I, Dario, take you as my wife, and I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, and honor you all the days of my life. Dario, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty.
As a sign of my love and loyalty,
I, Donna, take you as my husband,
take you as my husband,
and I promise to be true to you
and I promise to be true to you
in good times and in bad,
in good times and in bad,
in sickness and in health.
in sickness and in health,
I will love you
and I love you
and honor you
and honor you
all the days of my life.
all the days of my life.
May you always honor and love her. So all of you, I ask you to help them to be faithful to this marriage. By the way, before I give the admission, is there anybody here present who objects to the marriage of Dario and Donna? You still have the chance. Anyone who will object?
No.
Is there anybody?
No, none.
None? All right. Join your hands together. Repeat. May we have one heart and one soul. May we have one heart
May
May we
we
have
have one heart
one heart
and
and
one
soul.
soul
and one soul.
from this day forward,
From
This
this
day
day
forward,
for better,
for better,
for
For
worse,
for worse,
for richer,
for richer,
or poorer,
or poorer,
in sickness
in sickness
and in health,
and in health,
in joy
in joy
and in sorrow,
and in sorrow,
until death
until death
do us part.
do us part.
My admonitions. You have just wore your rings. The rings that are worn by you now is a symbol that you may live in deep faith. I pray that they will do your will and may you always live together in peace, mutual love, respect, true friendship, and abiding joy. Dario, the rings that you wear, and you should wear it every day, is a reminder for you to look at Donna as the most beautiful, the most important person in your life, and no one else. It should remind you every day. is really Donna. It should remind you every day that you are for Darwin, for no one else. Article 68 of the Family Code of the Philippines states that husband and wife are obliged to live together, observe mutual love, respect, and fidelity, as well as render mutual help and support. So your number one obligation is to live together, not to live separately. Dario will go back to the US. You should see to it that you are together in spirit, in thoughts, and in your hearts. Do not allow distance. This physical distance, it should be moral. That's a Christian. And Saint John said is a famous biblical passage. You should love one another, not love another one. Because the Philippines practice the culture of monogamy. You can marry if one dies, only. But do not kill, because you will be facing criminal charges of parricide. So monogamy, only one wife, only one husband at a time. Earlier, you expressed until death do us part. I will share to you a story, and I'm always proud of it. My parents vowed not till death do us part, till life after death. Why? My mother for the last 18 years has been praying for my father and visiting his grave. Not just in every occasion, but every Monday, if her health allows her, or circumstances allow her to visit my father. Oftentimes in a year, all occasions in their lives, in our family life. So that is life after death, life of my mother after death. So the thought of their bond, even after death. And I kept telling my mother, you're so lucky to have a husband like my father. Until now, for the last 18 years, to be grateful to her husband. That is the kind of witnessing this court expects of you. This husband, family code for the Philippines requires you also to jointly be responsible for the support of your family. It's not just the husband supporting the wife. That you be true to the statement that you have just uttered. It should be a reminder to you every day of this very special moment that you decided to do. It's not just words that you say, I do. That you assume the responsibility, you are a bed of roses. Marriage is never like these flowers, colorful and white always. There will be dark moments for sure. Even if you say marriage, even if it is a bed of roses, you only have one obligation that is very, very important. And you can be charged in court if you fail. Support the marriage. not to destroy it. Never destroy Donna and Earth. That is your obligation. To support them, whatever happens. To support them, to love their children. In that way, we will have a brighter future. If all marriages are like that, if all parents and in-laws and families and relatives are to the marriage, supporting the union. If you truly love each other of the Philippines, calling on all those present here as witnesses, I now confirm this bond of marriage which you have contracted and pronounced you as husband. Congratulations. Can you take your